I am truly grateful to those partners who are very supportive to their partner. Pag hindi ka naman sinuportahan ng partner mo, hindi ko sinasabing hindi ka mahal. Pero, what I'm sure about is, wala siyang tiwala na makakaya mo. It's a sad thought for me na maisipan ka ng partner mo na hindi mo kaya. Kasi kung alam niya naman that you are so skilled, you're so courageous, you're so brave, and you're already matured to take on this kind of opportunities, definitely hahayaan ka niya at susuportahan ka niya. Magiging distraction ba yon yung magkaroon ng partner? No, you just need to communicate. Minsan kasi pag sinabihan kang gano'n, tapos umiyak ka na lang, walang mangyayari. Parang magiging drama zone ka na lang. Pero if you will communicate na ito siya, ito, definitely maintindihan ka ng partner. Kung na-communicate mo na, iba pa rin yung thoughts niya, hindi natin kontrolado. What you can control is your own life. May partner ka man, pero always remember that you have your own life, own decisions, own thinking. Talaga nagtatagpo lang kayo sa gitna, pero you have your own life that you need to build.